Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to discuss about what is container runtime. If you are already familiar, you can skip this session. This is just for the folks who are just started learning about the containerization and everything. So, container runtime is an application which can manage the container life cycle. Now, uh, we will understand what is container lifecycle, spawning a container, creating a container, starting, stopping, mapping, networking, storage. All this is the part of container lifecycle. So container lifecycle is for container management. Okay, so if the container image is available, container runtime application can go and create the container, start the container, stop, terminate, providing the networking to the containerized application, providing the storage to the containerized application. This is the container runtime application rule is. Container runtime application is only about container lifecycle. It cannot go and build the container image. Okay. So building a container image as a separate API which Docker or Podman they provide in different form. In the case of Docker, it is a build kit. In the case of Podman, it's a build AH or build A. Build A is the API which can go and build the container image. We will be discussing about Kubernetes, and Kubernetes is all about managing the cluster where the container runtime application is managing the container lifecycle. So we need to know what is container runtime. So container runtime, there are multiple providers are available. In the case of Docker, the container runtime is container D. We have CNCF also provides some certain container runtime. They support it like Runc is there. Okay. So many container runtime is available. In case of OpenShift, that is Cryo. So this is the container runtime which is available. Again, as a summary of this session, container runtime is an application which can go and manage the container lifecycle. And in the case of container lifecycle, container image must be available. So it means your application must be available in the form of container image. Then only you can go and use the container runtime to create the container, to run the container, start, stop, terminate, and networking and other stuff. So container runtime cannot go and build the container image. So that is the summary of this session. Now let's go and understand in the further session why Kubernetes, what is the requirement and all these things. Thank you everyone for joining this session. Thank you.